This month, Hendrick Forensic Nurse Examiners, the Regional Victim Crisis Center, and the NOAA Project are partnering to begin a 4-part series to educate the community about sexual assault and rape. Here to tell us more is Anne Marie Willoughby. She's coming, wasn't too fond of the snake, so we're going to let her walk on here in a second. She's with Hendrick Health System, Carrie Wyndham from the Regional Victim Crisis Center, and Marissa Sullivan from the NOAA Project. Thank you, ladies. We're going to have Anne Marie walk around here. I'm sure you guys saw we had snakes before, so I don't blame her. So we're going to have you walk in right here, right there. All right, so ladies, we got you here. Let's talk about this first. Anne Marie, you are with Hendrick. So kind of tell us what you do at Hendrick.
I'm a forensic nurse examiner and an outreach clinical leader. So I go out to the communities and I speak with them about sexual assault, educate the public about rape and the support that's available. And currently we are focusing on involving more people or getting more people to come out and seek the help that they need.
And so let's talk about this series, ladies. The NOAA Project Regional Victim Crisis Center, places in our community that really can help victims like this. Let's talk about this series and why the need behind it.
Yeah, so we are hosting an educational and informative series seminar for victims. Currently it's very prevalent in the big country, and not only here but also in Texas. Current stats tell us that 2 in 5 women are sexually assaulted and 1 in 5 men. So
yeah, sexual assault occurs every 6 minutes in the United States.
And I know being, you've tried this before, you've tried kind of like a support group, didn't go over so well. So do you think maybe doing this educational series may help people understand more about what these victims are going through?
Yes. The support group didn't go over well because people are afraid to talk about sexual assault. They have been in a situation where they think that this is something that they've done and it's really not their fault. So we're trying to educate them about the causes, the prevalence, how they can get the help that they need, and not just the patients or the victims, but their family members and friends as well, so that they can get the support they need to recover.
So what are some of the topics that's going to be covered in this series?
We'll talk about healthy relationships, victim blaming for their family, for their support system, what that is, how that happens, but also support for the victim herself or himself, that, you know, it's very common for them to blame themselves.
So how is this going to work? Is it a question and answer thing, or is it going to be speakers that are just talking?
There will be speakers, and in fact our first speaker will be a survivor of sexual assault, and she'll be telling her story and how she survived. She's a professional, she's doing very well for herself, she's married with kids, and she just wants to share how you can get over something as dastardly as sexual assault. And
so this is not just going to be a one-time thing, it's different nights, correct?
correct, yeah.
All right, so when is this going to begin, this series?
We're starting the 20th this Thursday, and then it's going to run for 4 weeks, the first and the third Thursday of the month.
All right, ladies, we appreciate you coming on. Sorry we had to get the snakes out before she was going to come on, and I do not blame her. So if you would like to come out for the series, it will be at Hendrick Medical Center in the Shelton building at 2000 Pine Street. It will be February 20th, March 5th, and 19th, and April 2nd. To learn more, you can call 670-4361 or go to the NOAA Project's Facebook page.